Yes, very good morning, everyone. Welcome to my class. Here I am going to discuss science topic. The topic is measurement and unit. Now onwards, I will try to take the classes regularly because last few months I am not able to take the classes because my father is not well. He is in very serious health issues. That's why I am not able to take the classes. But now he is okay. Now onwards, I will take the classes regularly. Sorry. Yes, if you need notes, you have to WhatsApp. I am creating a group. Those you are there in the group, I will send PDF notes. This is my phone number. If you need PDF notes, you have to pay some amount, not huge one. You have to pay only the some amount because I will create questions, answer everything. For my effort, I am taking small amount. And if you are interested, you can WhatsApp to this number. Then I will send the PDF notes. Let us start the class. Here I will discuss only MCQ question. This measurement and unit, this it will helpful for even RRB, gpstr, hstr, ctet, tt, because RRB recruitment, teacher recruitment, already you got the notification. Start preparing for that one. And if you have any doubt regarding that one, please tell me in the comment box. Then later in the next class I will discuss everything regarding RRB teachers notification, because already you everyone you know the exam date, everything. Yeah, already you know the notification, qualification, what is the age limit, everything. I don't want to waste the time to discuss again the same thing. If you have the doubt, you can ask the question in the comment. Otherwise in the next class, then I will discuss that one. But start preparing for the exam seriously. In upcoming maybe 2 or 3 months, they will recruit more number of teachers. Then if preparation you have to start early, it will be helpful for you to clear your exam. Okay, I'm checking is my voice is clear or not, because no one is there in the live. That's why. Okay, it is clear. Let us start our class. If you need PDF notes complete this one, you have to contact me through the WhatsApp. I given the number in the slide, first slide only. The phone number is 9740694991. Even theory part of this PDF also it is available with me. I created the PDF. Let us discuss first MCQ question. If you need more explanation, once I start the discussing the question in detail, I will explain. First question, in the following which is fundamental physical quantity? Option A, force. Option B, velocity. Option C, electric current. Option D, work. Option E, none of the above and more than one of the above. Here they are asking, in which of the following which is a fundamental physical quantity? Before answering to this question, you have to know what is the fundamental quantity. I will tell that one in detail. In physics, there are 7 fundamental physical quantities are there, which are measured in the base or fundamental units. Fundamental is nothing but a basic units. We are having in physics 7 fundamental physical quantities. They are length, mass, time, electric current, temperature, luminous intensity, and also amount of substance. Remember, we are having 7 fundamental physical quantities. They are length, mass, time, electric current, temperature, luminous intensity, amount of substance. Here, according to the question, option C, electric current is one of the fundamental physical quantity, very basic quantity. Those who are there in the live, you can answer the question. which is a fundamental physical quantity. Force is not a fundamental physical quantity, it is a derived one. Velocity, work, remaining three are derived units. Electric current is the fundamental physical quantity. Let us move to the next one. I will give the list of all the SI units, then physical quantity, fundamental, derived quantity, everything I will give the list. If you want PDF notes, you have to contact me through the WhatsApp number. Through the WhatsApp group only I can send the notes, because here in online I can't attach the PDF notes. If the PDF notes is long, then downloading it will be difficult. Okay, let us move to the next question. The unit of power is, what is the unit of power? Option A, hertz. Option B, volts. Option C, watt. Option D, neutron. Those who are there in the live, please tell me, is my voice is clear or not? Otherwise I have to check. Tell me the answer. The unit of power. The unit of power is, the answer is option C, watt. The unit of power, you have to remember the units. I will give the list of all the units, SI units. Remember, then easily you can answer like this questions, direct questions. The unit of power is watt. In physics, power is the rate of doing work, of transferring heat or electrical energy. What is mean by power? Definition of a power. Power is nothing but rate of doing work. What is the rate you are doing the work? We will measure in terms of a power. Then transferring heat or electrical energy. How you are telling you are doing a work? You are converting, otherwise you are doing some work, you are transferring the energy from one form to another form. Amount of energy transferred or converted per unit time. How you will define work in physics? How much amount of energy you are spending to convert, otherwise to perform a particular work. The amount of energy transferred or converted per unit time, we will call it as a power. Formula for power is work divided by time. Then the SI unit of power is watt. You have to remember all those points, all these points, it will be important, which is equal to joule per second. Power is always represent in terms of a watt or kilowatt. That is the SI unit of power is watt. Sometimes we will express in terms of kilowatt also. Let us move to the next question. The unit of electric power. What is the SI unit of electric power? The unit of electric power is, first option ampere, second option volt, third option coulomb, fourth option watt, then last option none of the above or more than one of the above. The unit of electric power is D, watt. Either power or electric power, both also same. Electric power is the rate per unit time at which the electrical energy is transferred by an electric circuit. The name itself is indicating electric power. Electric power is nothing but rate per unit time at which electrical energy is transferred into an, how much electrical energy is transferred by an electric circuit, we will consider as a electric power. The SI unit of electric power is watt. Next, ampere is the unit of electric current. Then volt is the unit of electric potential. Remember, Ampere is the unit of electric current, then volt is the unit of electric potential. Remember, these are very important points. Then coulomb is the unit of electric charge in the SI system. For ampere, electric current. For volt, it will be the SI unit of electric potential. Then coulomb is the SI unit of electric charge. Remember, these points are very important. Therefore, the unit of electric power is watt. The unit of force is, what is the SI unit of force? First option Faraday, second one is Fermi, third option is Newton, last one is Rutherford. The unit of force is option C, Newton. You have to remember the list, then easily you can answer like this question. Direct question, not twisted one. The SI unit of force is Newton or kg Newton. Yes, the SI unit of force is Newton, kg meter per second square. Then formula for force is mass into acceleration. In physics, something that causes a change in the motion of an object, we will call it as a force. What is meant by force in physics? Change in the motion of an object, we will consider as a force. If you apply a force on any object, then if it start moving, otherwise already if it is in motion, if it is stopped, if you change its acceleration, velocity, everything, we will consider as a force. The modern definition of force, an object mass multiplied by its acceleration. Yes, force, it will be mass into acceleration. This is the formula for force. It is given by Isaac Newton in his law of motion. Therefore, the SI unit of force is Newton. The correct answer is C, Newton. Next one, the unit of work is. Next question, the unit of work is. First option joule, second one is neutron, third option is watt, fourth one is dyne. The unit of work is joule. When a force act to move an object, then work is done by the force is equal to the product of force and displacement. In this direction of force, it is a scalar quantity. The SI unit of work is Newton meter, which is also called as a joule. Joule is also a unit of energy. The SI unit of work is also a joule. Then joule, the SI unit of energy is also a joule. The unit of work is joule. When a force act to move an object, then work done by the force is equal to the product of force and displacement. Okay, that one you have to remember. Then the unit of work is joule. Then unit of energy is also a joule. I will give the list, don't worry. Next question. Frequency is measured in. First option hertz, second option meter per second, third option radian, fourth one is watt, fifth one none of the above, more than one of the above. Frequency is measured in terms of hertz. Yes, we will measure frequency in terms of a hertz. Hertz is derived unit of frequency. Yes, a hertz is not a fundamental unit, it is a derived unit. Because what is mean by derived units? Derived units, we will get the combination of two or more fundamental units, and also we will get the units by combining the formula, multiplying, dividing. Then Derived unit is a combination of fundamental units also we can consider. We will derive the units. Hertz is the derived unit of frequency in international in SI system. It is defined as 1 cycle per second. Frequency is how many oscillation per second. One cycle is nothing but frequency is 1 cycle per second. Number of oscillation per second we will consider as a frequency. Frequency is measured in terms of hertz, and also this is a derived unit. That one you have to remember. What is measured in hertz? Because these questions, same answer, same type of question, how they ask in the different way. That's why both the type also I am including. It will be helpful for you when they will ask in the exam. Next, what is measured in hertz? Option A, frequency. Option B, energy. Option C, heat. Option D, quality. Option E, none of the above, more than one of the above. What is measured in hertz? Frequency. Next question, question number 9. Ohm meter is the unit of. Ohm meter, it will be the unit of option A, resistance. Option B, conductance. Option C, resistivity. Option D, change. Option E, normally only 4 options they will give. Ohm meter is the unit of option C, resistivity. Remember, I will give the list. Please WhatsApp to my number. In the group, I will give the notes. I will give all the SI units of all the quantities you have to remember. In the exam, at least 2-3 question it will be based on your SI units, derived units. Okay. Even formulas, everything, I will give all the information regarding this measurement of unit. Next, electrical resistivity is an intrinsic property. This I will explain when I am talking about the electronics in detail. When I am discussing in theory part, I will explain in detail. Here remember, ohm meter is the unit of resistivity. And remember the formula. The SI unit of electrical resistivity is ohm meter, and also here the formula. Resistivity, it will be equal to Ra divided by L. R means here electrical resistance of the material, then L means length, A is area of cross section, rho is the resistivity. This is the formula you have to remember. Then Faraday is the SI unit of capacitance. What is the SI unit of capacitance? Faraday. Remember this one. Then the SI unit of electric potential. Faraday is the SI unit of capacitance, and volt is the SI unit of electric potential. Then ampere is the SI unit of electric current. Then ohm is the SI unit of electrical resistance. Remember all the SI units I given here. Faraday, it will be the SI units of capacitance, then volt, electric potential, then ampere, SI unit of electric current, then ohm is the SI unit of electrical resistance. Don't worry, I will give the PDF notes, then you can remember this one. Next question, light year is the unit of. Light year, this it will be the unit of option A, distance. Option B, time. Option C, speed of light. Option D, intensity of light. Light year is the unit of distance. What is mean by light year? Light year is the unit of astronomical distance equivalent to the distance that travel in 1 year, which is equal to 9.46 into 10 to the power of 15 meters. See, if you want to measure a long distance object, we will measure in terms of a light year. Light year, to measure the long distance object, we will use the light year. Light year is the unit of astronomical distance equivalent to the distance that travels in 1 year. Okay, that one you have to remember. Next question, what is mean by a light year? Option A, year which had maximum sunlight. Option B, year in which workload was very light. Option C, distance traveled by light in 1 year. Option D, mean distance between the sun and earth. Now only I told what is mean by light year. Light year, the distance traveled by light in 1 year. Light year, remember, distance traveled by light in 1 year. Next question. Light year is the unit of option A, energy, option B, intensity, option C, age, option D, distance. Light year is the unit of option D, distance. Same type of questions, how they ask in the different way. That's why I included all the questions. It will be helpful for you. Next, question number 13. Light year is a unit of option A, time, option B, distance, option C, speed, option D, force. Light year is the unit of option B, distance. Again, this question is repeated. I will go fast. The distance traveled by light in 1 year. This question is repeated. Next, question number 15. Which one of the following is a reason why astronomical distance are measured in terms of a light year? Option A, distance among stellar bodies do not change. Option B, gravity of stellar bodies does not change. Option C, light always travel in straight line. Option D, speed of light is always same. Which one of the following is a reason why astronomical distance always, why we will measure in terms of a light year? What is the use of light year? Why we will consider only the light year to measure the distance between the longer objects? Because speed of light is always same. This is the option B. Option D, it will be the correct answer, because the speed of light, it will be always change. It will not at all always same. It will not at all change. Yes, a light year is the distance a beam of light travels in a single earth year. For 1 year, what is the distance covered by a light? The speed of light is constant in vacuum, even affected by the gravity. The speed of light, it will be, yes, hi Sunita Jadhav. Is my voice is clear? The speed of light is constant in vacuum, not in all the medium. The speed of light, it will be constant, and also it will not affected by the gravity. This is where all the stellar bodies are present in a vacuum. The speed of light is constant throughout the universe and is known to high precision. That's why astronomical distance is always measured in light year. Okay, that's why the speed of light, it will be constant in vacuum also. It will not at all change. That's why we will consider light year to measure the long distance object. Next, question number 16. A parsec, a unit of distance used to measure the distance related to the stars in the sky, it will be equal to. Parsec, that is a unit of distance used to measure the distance related to the stars in the sky. To measure the distance between the stars, we will use this unit. And this one, it will be equal to, what is the correct option? Option B, 3.25 light year. 1 parasec, it will be equal to 3.25 here. 1 parasec, it will be equal to 3.256 light years. What is mean by parasec? Is a unit of length used to measure the astronomical large distance object beyond our solar system. To measure the larger distance object beyond our solar system, we will use the parasec method. Okay, 1 parasecs it will be equal to 3.256 light year. This is very important question. Definitely they will ask in the exam, maybe HSTR, JPSTR, TET, even upcoming RRB, because now onwards I will discuss the MCQ question based on the topic. If we discuss the question based on the topic, same topic, each topic I almost I am collecting 50 MCQ questions. Here measurement and unit I am having 50 different MCQ question. Even I am creating the notes also, even I am preparing the notes, MCQ, everything. If you want PDF notes, you have to contact me with the WhatsApp number I given in the beginning. Otherwise I will tell once again, 9740694991. I'm creating a group so that I can give the I can provide the notes. I will write once again, 9740694991. Okay, this question is very important. 1 parasec is 3.08 into 10 to the power of 16 meter. Then 1 light year it will be equal to 9.46 into 10 to the power of 15 meter. Then 1 parasecs it will be 3.256 light years. Next, what is mean by, what is 17th question? Parasec is the unit of distance. Option A, distance. Option B, time. Option C, light intensity. Option D, magnetic force. Parasec is the unit of, yes, distance. To measure the distance we will use that one. Next question, which unit of measurement is multiplied by 0.39 to convert into in terms of inches? Option A, millimeter. Option B, centimeter. Option C, meter. Option D, decimeter. Option B, it will be the correct answer. See, 1 centimeter it will be equal to 0.39 inches. Okay, we can multiply centimeter by 0.39 to convert, it will be in the inches. Therefore, the correct answer it will be in centimeter. The unit of measurement is multiplied by 0.39 to convert into inches, because 1 centimeter it will be equal to 0.39 inches. Therefore, we will use this one, 1 centimeter. Some questions are very easy question. I will go fast. How can the height of a person who is 6 feet tall expressed in nanometer? These are the simple question they may ask in the exam. 1 nanometer it will be 10 to the power of minus 9 meter. Then 1 feet is 0.305 meter. Then 1 feet convert in terms of nanometer, 30.5 into 10 to the power of 7 nanometer. Then 6 feet, multiply this one with 6, 183 into 10 to the power of 7 nanometer. 183 into 10 to the power of 7 nanometer. Remember these conversion, this is very important. 1 nanometer it will be 10 to the power of minus 9 meter. Then 1 feet is 0.305 meters. Remember, you have to remember the constant. 1 nanometer it will be equal to, very easy question. Option A, 10 to the power of minus 6 centimeter. Option B, 10 to the power of minus 7. Then the correct answer it will be option B. A nanometer it will be equal to, in terms of centimeter they are given here. See, 1 nanometer it will be 10 to the power of minus 9 meter, but they are asking in centimeter. Convert in terms of centimeter. 10 to the power of minus 9 meter is 10 to the power of 2 into 10 to the power of minus 9. Minus 9 plus 2, subtract, you will get 10 to the power of minus 7 centimeter. You have to understand the question whether they are asking in centimeter, or sometimes they will ask even millimeter also. That's why you have to remember 1 nanometer, it will be equal to 1 into 10 to the power of minus 9 meter. Then already you know 1 meter, it will be equal to 100 centimeter. Again same question is repeated. 1 nanometer is 10 to the power of minus 9 meter. Next question. Ampere is the unit of option A voltage, option B electric current, option C resistance, option D power. Ampere is the unit of option B electric current, is the unit of electric current. Ampere is the SI unit of measure electric current. If 1 ampere current is flowing in any conducting wire, it means 6.25 into 10 to the power of 18 electrons are entering per second from one direction. The same amount of electrons flow from the other end per second. See, this is very important point. 1 ampere. Ampere is the SI unit of electric current. 1 ampere, what is the meaning of 1 ampere? 1 ampere is nothing but 6.25 into 10 to the power of 18 electrons. These number of electrons, they will enter the electric wire. 6.25 into 10 to the power of 18 electrons are entering per second. Per second, how many electrons they will flow in an electric circuit? In both the direction. Okay, in one direction the electrons they will flow, in another direction the electricity it will be generated. Assume this is the direction of electron, in opposite direction the electricity it will be generated. Per second 6.25 into 10 to the power of 18 electrons they will flow in an electric circuit to generate the current. Next question. Megawatt is the measuring unit of power. Already this question is discussed, but in the different way they are asking. Option A generated, option B consumed, option C saved, lost in transmission. Megawatt is the measuring unit of power which is generated. Megawatt is the measuring unit of power which is generated in power station, power plant. 1 megawatt it will be equal to 10 to the power of 6 or 1 million watt. Megawatt, normally we will generate the power in power station or power plant. Okay, then 1 megawatt it will be equal to 10 to the power of 6 watt or million watt. That one you have to remember. We will generate the power in artificially in power plants and also in power station. Next, relative humidity is measured by option A hydrometer, option B hygrometer, option C lactometer, option D potentiometer. Relative humidity it will be measured by hygrometer. Humidity, relative humidity is hygrometer is a device used to determine the relative humidity of the atmosphere. Lactometer, relative humidity we will measure in terms of hygrometer. Then lactometer we will use to measure the density of a milk, remember. Next, hydrometer used to measuring the relative density of liquid. Hydrometer we will use to measure the relative density of a liquid, while potentiometer it will use to measure the electric potential in a circuit. Very important question. Remember that one. I will give the PDF notes also, don't worry. Then you have to revise. Next, match list 1, list 2. Select the correct answer from the code given below. Option A, in the list 1, acceleration, force, work done, impulse is there. In list 2, joule, Newton, second, Newton, Newton per second square is there. The correct answer it will be option D. Let us check. Acceleration is meter per second square. This one is correct. Then force, Newton. Then work done is we will measure in terms of joule. Impulse Newton second. This one is D. These are the SI units. That's why I will provide the all the list of SI units. You have to remember, there is no other option. You have to remember the SI units, then only you can answer like this questions. Acceleration is meter per second square, force is Newton, work done joule, impulse is Newton second. Remember. Then what is mean by acceleration? Acceleration means rate of change of velocity of an object with respect to time. The SI unit of acceleration is meter per second square. SI unit of force is Newton. The SI unit of impulse is Newton second. SI unit of work is joule. Almost. Okay. Next. Which one of the following SI unit is correctly matched? Which one is the correct match they are asking? Option D. Which one of the following SI unit is not correctly matched? Which one is not correct? First one is work, we will measure in terms of joule. Force, the SI unit is Newton. Mass, the SI unit is in kg. Pressure, dyne. This is the wrong one. Which one is not correct? Fourth one, it will be the wrong, because Pascal is the unit of pressure. Pressure we will measure in terms of a Pascal. Or stress is the international system of units, SI units. Then dyne is the unit of force in CGS. Dyne, this is also a pressure. We will this is the dyne. It will be the in CGS system, not in SI. Then option D is not correct. Pressure we will measure in terms of a Pascal. The SI unit of pressure is Pascal. Remember that one. Question number 26. List 1, list 2 is there. Match the following. First one is watt, nautical mile, calorie, heat, navigation, speed of ship, power. The correct answer it will be option C. Watt, speed of ship. Not no. For first one, watt, it will be power. Option C, it will be the correct answer. For watt, it will be power. Knot means speed of ship. Nautical mile, C, it will be 2. Navigation, calorie, heat. Four, 3, 2, 1. Okay, yes. Watt is the SI unit of power. Knot, speed of a ship. Nautical mile we will use in navigation. Calorie, heat. Option C, it will be the correct answer. SI unit of power is watt, which is equal to 1 joule per second. Then knot is the unit of measuring the speed of a ship. Then nautical mile is the unit of distance distance used by navigation in the sea. Yes, to navigate we will use nautical mile. Calorie is the unit of measuring heat and also a energy. Therefore option C, it will be the correct answer. Next, one more set of match the following. This one is easy. Joule, ampere, watt, volt, current, power, work, electric potential. The correct answer it will be option A. Joule is the SI unit of work. Ampere is the SI unit of current. Then watt is the unit of power. Then volt is the SI unit of electric potential. Remember, easy one. Yes, joule, it will be work, joule, it will be work. Then ampere, current. Then watt, power. Then volt, it will be the electrical potential. Yes, yes, joule is the SI unit of work, ampere is ampere, watt, volt, these are the, yes, already I given the list also here, the same explanation. Let us move to the next question. How many watts are there in horsepower? How many watts are there in horsepower? Because I will discuss all the 50 question, I will finish this uh, MCQ question based on measurement and unit. Then tomorrow I can do maths, otherwise I will take one more topic based on science. Today in this class I am going to discuss 50 MCQ question based on the topic measurement and unit. How many watts are there in horsepower? Option A 1000, option B 750, option C 746, option D 748. The correct answer is 746. Horsepower is the unit of measurement of power, the rate at which work is done. 1 watt is 1 joule per second. 1 horsepower is 746 watt. Remember, important question. Only for this measurement, only memory you need. You have to revise all the SI units, then constant, everything. Then this topic is very easy in the exam. Next, which one of the following is not correct? Which one is not correct? Already I discussed same question, how they will ask in the different way. Which one of the following is not correct? First option, not measuring the speed of ship. This one is correct. Option B, nautical mile, the unit of distance used in navigation. Then option C, angstrom, unit of wavelength of light. Option D, light year, unit of measurement of time. Yes, this one is the wrong. Light year we will use to measure the unit of measurement of distance, not time. This one is the wrong one. The light year is not the unit of measurement of time. This is the unit of measurement of the distance. The remaining pair are all the three, they will be correct. This one it will be the wrong, because light year we will use to measure the distance of a large object, large distance object we will use. Already I explained that one. Angstrom is a unit of option A wavelength, option B energy, option C frequency, option D is velocity. Yes, angstrom is the unit of SI unit of wavelength, which is equal to 10 to the power of minus 10 meter or 0.1 nanometer. 1 angstrom unit it will be 10 to the power of minus 10 meter or 0.1 nanometer. It is named after 19th century Swedish physicist Anders Johns Angstrom. Okay, this is the scientist name you have to remember. Okay, then this is the easy question. Here they are given the SI units, then match list 1, list 2. There you have to match the SI units of the remaining thing. List A, high speed, wavelength, pressure, energy is there. Then match angstrom, pascal, joule. The correct answer it will be option C. High speed, match. Wavelength, we will measure in terms of astrom. Pressure, we will measure the SI unit, it will be Pascal. Energy, it will be Joule. Almost they are given the correct answer, by maybe for wrong question they are given all the correct answer, but in the exam they will not give like that. In fluid mechanics, the match number is a dimensional quantity representing the ratio of speed of a body to the speed of sound in the surrounding. What is mean by Mach? This also I will explain in detail when I will take the theory class. Then supersonic travels is the rate of an object that exceeds the speed of sound. Mach is used to represent the high speed. Then wavelength is measured in terms of angstrom, while pressure we will measure in terms of a Pascal. The energy we will measure in terms of a Joule. Everything is correct, they are given. Let us move to the next question. Joule is related to energy in the same way Pascal is related to option A mass, option B pressure, option C density, option D purity, option E none of the above. Joule is related to energy in the same way Pascal it will be related to. Yes, the correct answer will be option B pressure. The SI unit of pressure is Pascal. Then the SI unit of energy is Joule. 1 micron it will be equal to option A 1 by 10 millimeter, option B 1 by 100 millimeter, option C 1 by 1000 millimeter, then option D 1 by 10,000 millimeter. 1 micron it will be 10 to the power of minus 6 meter, but they are all the option they are given in millimeter, therefore you have to convert in millimeter. Then 10 to the power of minus 6 into 10 to the power of 3 millimeter. Then this it will be equal to 10 to the power of minus 3. Then 10 to the power of minus 3 we can write it as 1 by 10 to the power of 3. 1 by 1000. What is the correct answer here? Option C 1 by 1000 millimeter it will be the correct answer. Next question. 1 micron represent a length of option A 10 to the power of minus 6 centimeter, option B 10 to the power of minus 4 centimeter, option C 1 millimeter, option D 1 meter. Yes, 1 micron it will 1 micron it will be 0.12345 zeros in terms of meter. Then convert in terms of centimeter, 20 they will get cancelled. Then 0.0001 centimeter, then 1 by 10,000 centimeter, 1 by 10 to the power of 4, shift to numerator 10 to the power of minus 4 centimeter. Only conversion you have to do. If they asked in millimeter, centimeter, meter, you know how to convert, then it will be easy for you to answer like this question. Next question. Which one of the following is not correctly matched? Which one is not correct? Decibel, the unit of sound intensity. Horsepower, the unit of power. Option C, nautical miles, the unit of naval distance. Option D, Celsius, the unit of heat. Which one is not correctly? Yes, these three are correct. Option D is this one is the wrong one. Decibel we will use to measure the unit of sound intensity. Then horsepower, yes, the unit of power. Nautical miles, the unit of naval distance, that is also a correct. Because Celsius is a scale and unit of measurement for temperature, then heat is measured in calories. Then nautical miles used to measure the distance at sea. 1 nautical mile it will be equal to 1.852 kilometer. Then the SI unit of power is watt, which is equal to joule per second. Then another unit of power is horsepower. Then 1 horsepower is 746 watt. Decibel used to measure the sound intensity. The fourth one is the wrong one, Because Celsius is a scale of unit of measurement for temperature, not for heat. Which one of the following is not the unit of heat? Which one is not the unit of heat? Option A, calorie. Option B, kilocalorie. Option C, kilojoule. Option D, watt. Yes, which one is not the unit of heat is watt is not the unit of heat. Remaining three, calorie, kilocalorie, kilojoule, these we will expressed in terms of heat. Next question, question number 37. Which one of the following is not the unit of heat? Centigrade. Option B, calorie. Option C, arg. Option B, joule. Yes, centigrade. For temperature, to express the temperature, we will use degree centigrade, not to express the unit. Calorie, joule, arg, we will use to express the heat. Temperature is a physical quantity expressing hot or cold. It will tell the liquid how much is hot or cold. It is measured with a thermometer calibrated in one or more temperature scales. The most commonly used scales are centigrade scales, Fahrenheit scale, and Kelvin. Yes, you know, three different types we will measure the temperature, that is centigrade, Fahrenheit, Kelvin. But calorie, erg, joule are the unit of heat energy. Heat, what is mean by heat? Heat energy is transferred from one body to another as the result of a difference in temperature. Heat is a form of energy. 10 more question. I will finish this topic. Yes, I know the class is lengthy, but I have to discuss all the 50 questions. A distance of 1 kilometer means option A 100 meter, option B 1000 centimeter, option C 1000 meter, option D 100 centimeter. This very easy question. 1 kilometer means 1000 meter. 1 picogram, it will be equal to option A 10 to the power of minus 6 gram, option B 10 to the power of minus 9 gram, option C 10 to the power of minus 12, 10 to the power of 15. 1 picogram, it will be equal to option C 10 to the power of 12 gram. Remember, 1 picogram, it will be equal to 10 to the power of 12 minus 12 gram. Then here I given the list. 1 picogram 10 to the power of minus 12 gram, 1 microgram 10 to the power of minus 6 gram, 1 femtogram 10 to the power of minus 15, 1 milligram 10 to the power of minus 3, 1 nano means 10 to the power of minus 9 gram. Remember, these are the important points. Yes, Pascal is the unit of measurement of B, pressure. Yes, question is repeated. So many questions in the same different way. What is the SI unit of pressure? Option A Newton per square meter, option B Newton meter, option C Newton, option D Newton per meter. Yes, what is the SI unit of pressure? Newton per square meter. Next, the unit of pressure is E. None of the above, because all the options are wrong. A kilogram force per centimeter square, kgf per centimeter square is the depreciated unit of pressure, which was often written as just kg per centimeter square. But kg per centimeter is not the correct expression for pressure. It should be kgf. This one is wrong. The correct answer is kgf divided by centimeter square. This it will be equal to 98,066.5 Pascal. Okay, therefore this is the unit of pressure. This value, it will be this much. Remember. Next question, what is the unit of atmospheric pressure? Unit of atmospheric pressure is bar. What is the unit of atmospheric pressure? Bar is a metric unit of pressure. It is equal to 10 to the power of 9, sorry, 10 to the power of 5 Newton meter square. Pascal is the SI unit of pressure. 1 bar, it will be 10 to the power of 5 Pascal. Remember. 1 kg per centimeter square pressure, it will be equal to option B, 1 bar. Remember. This all the information I given. I will provide the PDF notes also. You have to recall, you have to remember. Which one of the following quantities does not have unit? Option A, stress. Option B, force. Option C, strain. Option D, pressure. Which one is not having the unit? Dimensionless. Strain. When the shape or size of a matter is changed by applying external force, we will consider as a strain. It does not have any SI unit, means dimensionless quantity, it will be the strain. The unit of force is Newton. Yes, remaining you know. Only you have to remember the dimensionless physical quantity is strain. Even I will give the list of dimensionless quantities also. You have to remember that also. 1 barrel of oil, it will be equal to which of the following? 1 barrel of oil, it will be equal to 159 liters. How? 1 barrel, it will be equal to this much liter. Convert in terms of 159, 158 point something, you can round this one as 159 liters. Remember, the smallest unit of length is option D, Fermi meter. The smallest unit of length is Fermi meter. These are the list. 1 micron, 10 to the power of minus 6 meter. Nanometer, 10 to the power of minus 9. 1 angstrom, 10 to the power of minus 10. Fermi, 10 to the power of minus 15 meter. Smallest unit of length. Option B, it will be the correct. We will see. First, cubic rate of flow. Then bar, it will be the byte, it will be computer. Then Richter to intensity of the earthquake, bar we will use in terms of a pressure. Cubic, that is rate of flow of a liquid, we will use. Then byte we will use in computer. Richter intensity of earthquake, bar we will use in terms of a pressure. Next, what is measure in cubic? Cubic means flow of water. Flow of water or flow of any liquid we will consider as a cubic. We will represent in terms of a cubic. Next, which of the following is the unit of measure of the thickness of ozone layer of the atmosphere? Not option B, Dobson, Poise, Maxwell. Unit of measure of thickness of ozone layer, it will be option B. Today's last question. Okay, I will tell the theory part also. Ozone layer thickness is expressed in terms of Dobson unit, which is measured, which is its physical thickness would be if compressed in the earth atmosphere. 1 Dobson unit, it will be equal to 0.01 millimeter thickness of at STP. STP means standard temperature and pressure. This is very important question. The unit is named after GMB Dobson, one of the first scientists to investigate atmospheric ozone. 1 Dobson unit, it will be equal to 2.689687 into 10 to the power of 20 molecules of ozone per square meter. Remember. Yes, next one, same question. They are asking the different way. Dobson unit is used for the measurement of thickness of ozone layer. At least today I discussed 51 questions. Even my mouth is paining because continuously almost 1 hour continuously I am talking, because without audience, because when teachers are there we will discuss, then I can take the rest, something I can do, but from last 1 hour continuously I'm talking. Okay, if you want PDF notes, you have to contact me with the WhatsApp. I will, whatever the questions I discussed today, all the PDF notes I will provide. I am creating the group only. If you are interested, then contact me through the WhatsApp group, then only I will provide the PDF notes. And small amount it will be there, not huge one, small amount I will take, because I am doing some hard work. For that I need some amount, no? Those you need PDF notes, you have to contact me with the WhatsApp, then I will provide the notes. Okay, thank you everyone, thanks for listening my class. I will meet in the next class. Okay, thank you everyone, thanks for listening my class. In the next class I will take one maths topic, even child development and also pedagogy I will discuss, because so many you are writing RRB exam. In that one, child development and pedagogy, they will ask in Hindi or English. If you want to write RRB exam, your method of teaching it will be either English or Hindi. Those you know. That's why I am started all my lesson everything in the English medium only. I am not conducting any Kannada classes, because my main intention those they will write for CTET, TET in English medium, then JPSTR, HSTR, everything. Even those who are not, those who are writing in Kannada medium also, they can watch my classes, but for them it will be difficult. But sorry, my method of teaching it will be English. Those who are writing in English medium, you can contact me, I will provide the PDF notes, everything. Then which type of class you need, tell me in the, if you are free to ask any question in the WhatsApp number whatever I am given. And also you can tell the topic, ma'am, do this topic in the next class, we want general topics also, we want science, maths, even GK, which topic you need, you can, we will discuss in the WhatsApp, because so many you will get hesitated in discussing live chat. That's why I given my personal number, that is through WhatsApp, don't call personally, I will not attend the calls. If you want any inquiry, anything, you have to contact me through the WhatsApp only, because always I will be taking the live class, I will be busy in classes, everything. That's why I will be not able to pick your calls. But what WhatsApp, whenever I am free, I will take the WhatsApp chats, your inquiries, yes, whatever you want to discuss with me, yes, free to contact me through the WhatsApp. Okay, thank you everyone, thanks for listening my class.